Salut tout le monde, ici Smaké. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour l'épisode 3 sur Life is Strange. Donc je vais vous faire un petit résumé avant de commencer. Du coup on était dans le dortoir des filles la dernière fois, donc pour l'épisode 2. On était dans le dortoir des filles. On a été chercher une clé USB. Après on s'est rendu compte que la fille elle était tombée enceinte. Ensuite on est sorti, donc on a vu que l'agent de sécurité, ou je crois que c'est ça, commençait à se prendre la tête avec Kate. Oui, c'est ça. On est intervenu, on l'a sauvé. Donc voilà. Après, ensuite, on a rejoint Warren. Et à partir de là, on lui a parlé, etc. Et c'est là que ça a commencé à partir en live, hein. Nathan Prescott est arrivé. C'est parti à la Wall Again to Beast to Fly, voilà. et, et pour finir, du coup, Max a retrouvé sa meilleure amie, donc Chloé, voilà. Et ensuite, on a vu qu'elle a replongé. Vous voyez, ce petit phare, elle était là. Et on a vu qu'elle était revenue à la tempête. Enfin, après que ça a fini par neiger, enfin voilà quoi. Bon, vous avez qu'à suivre l'épisode 2 et vous comprendrez. Donc sinon, ben, on attaque. C'est parti. Voilà, donc j'ai fait un petit résumé. Petit résumé tout court. Bon, j'espère avoir bien résumé. Ah bah tiens, bah, c'est bon, j'avais même pas besoin.
Whoa! What the fuck?
Eh, résume tout depuis le
Or
début.
have you done something wrong? Talk to me.
Hey, Victoria.
What do you want, Max?
I see everything here at
On
Black.
voit, voilà.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
No.
For reals, Warren. This
Kate
is
qui
between you
pleure.
and me.
Don't insult me.
Warren,
Max, go on.
Hey!
Nathan Prescott,
Max?
Chloé.
It makes perfect sense I'd see you today.
Welcome home, Max.
That's Rachel Amber. Her missing person posters are all over Blackwell.
6 months ago, she just left Arcadia. Without a word. Without me. Something happened to
triste.
her.
Wait, is that grass? Tell me the truth. That's an order.
I didn't black out. I had another vision. The town is going to get wiped out by a tornado.
Ouais,
Max, tell
exactement.
me everything.
Et là il neige alors que... C'est incroyable. Life is Strange, bon bah j'ai pas besoin de le relire parce que du coup l'épisode 1 était basé sur ça, donc voilà. Donc là je vous dis il y a 5 épisodes sur le jeu et on est à l'épisode 2. Tout simplement. Donc on est à l'épisode 3 mais l'épisode 2. Ah, bref, vous m'avez peut-être compris. Éteindre. Allez, réveille-toi Max. Là, alors Chloé. Alors qu'est-ce qu'il y a eu? Pas d'emoji. Bon. Ah, ils ont parlé... T'es là, hippie, alors cette neige de ouf. Et ton nouveau pouvoir, où t'es retourné dans le temps pour résoudre le mystère. MDR, je peux pas remonter si loin. Faut que tu m'aides, comme quand t'as dit au vieux que c'était ton bédo. Sans deck, faut qu'on parle. Ou qu'on aille se faire péter la panse au Chuwelace, je crois que ça se dit comme ça, je t'invite. Dax, c'est cool d'avoir des sous-fifres. Des sous-fifres. Ouais. Je sais pas ce que ça veut dire. Je pense, ouais. J'y vais mettre Hawk pour le petit-déj. Mad Max, t'es là. Ah, excellent, Mad Max. Pour toi, toujours, je te l'ai dit. Pas d'emoji. RDV au dîner dans 40 minutes, j'y serai. Sois pas en retard ou ça voudrait dire que tu contrôles pas le temps. Te défonce pas comme ça. Te défonce pas comme dans ma chambre. J'arrive, je te hais. T'as 40 minutes, dépêche. Ok. Ma Kate. Salut Max, t'es dans le coin? Oui, ça va. Oui, toujours ça va. Tu veux qu'on se prenne un café tout à l'heure? Ouais, je suis libre vers 4h. Ok, à plus. Merci de m'avoir aidé. Max, pas de soucis, c'est un connard. J'avoue. Mais de rien, Kate. Alors, bonjour ma chérie, j'espère que tu n'oublies pas d'arroser la plante qu'on t'a donnée, mais ne la noie pas non plus, maman. C'est
Even
mignon.
with all this crazy shit going
Ok.
on, it is so cool having Chloe back in my life again. Like
Alors,
no time.
Lita, on va pas jouer, hein, on avait vu ça. Affaire de toilette.
Okay, Max, let's hit the showers now.
Attends. Dans ce retard. Ouvrir. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a là?
It would be fun to get some peeps
Ce serait
together
cool de
and
se
play a
faire une
real
partie
game
entre potes
instead
plutôt
of
que de
drama
passer
games.
à se prendre la tête. Ok. Bon, ben on va à la douche, il n'y a rien. Oui. Regardez. Photo. Miroir. Utiliser.
Whoa. Hello, zombie.
J'aime bien son t-shirt.
This
son
is what
pyjama.
happens when you research quantum physics all night.
Portable utilisé. Ah d'accord. Ok. Journal. Lire. Ouais bon. C'est pas intéressant. Sortir du coup.
Seriously, do not forget I need those papers before tonight. Like now. Thanks, Sherry. Yeah, of course, Victoria. I'll get the tests and papers to you this afternoon. I am so on it. Consider it done.
Oh la cosse. Attends, j'ai pas... Si j'ai bien compris, elle était celle qui va lui faire ses devoirs.
Ow!
Alyssa, can you stand over there?
Okay,
Je
Max,
me doutais
if
qu'il
that
fallait
makes
faire
you
ça.
happy.
Elle a pas de chance avec ça.
Wow, now that was close. Thank you, Max.
Mais elle se pose pas la question, comment t'as su? Effet papillon. Ouais. Bon. Bah écoutez, on va regarder. Avis de recherche. Ah, chez le sans-ail, Dana. Ça n'a pas vraiment changé. Elle est contente là, Dana.
Hi, Dana. How are you?
Much better than yesterday. I'm glad we talked.
Moi aussi.
Me too. I know it's good to just talk about this stuff.
You're
Ouais, je
almost
confirme.
psychic. I felt like you knew everything anyway. By the way, the best and biggest news of the day is that Trevor asked me to the Halloween shindig.
That's awesome, Dana.
At least we're showing our faces together in public. So you absolutely should go with us. Borrow one of my outfits and come as a cute geek couple with your bitch Warren.
I'm not big on cosplay.
Don't
Allez,
let life pass
Max.
you by, Max. So, are you coming to the party or not?
Allez.
Why the fuck not? If I hate it, I can always go back to my room.
That's the spirit, Max. After this, you'll be ready for a rave.
It does sound like fun. Now I have to go contemplate my party
Ah, voilà.
future.
Pilule contraceptive. Hein? Ouais. Bon, bah, on va pas fouiller plus. Hein. Bah, ça y est, elle a arrêté de s'enjailler.
This is both sad and pathetic.
Pareil, si vous voulez le lire, voilà. Vous pouvez mettre en pause. Ok, bon. Du coup. Parce qu'en fait, je vais pas tout regarder. Hein. Il y a tellement de choses à lire, tellement de trucs à faire qu'on pourrait y passer 4-5 heures dessus. Et le but, c'est aussi d'avancer un peu dans l'histoire. Donc... Oh, Kate. Je vais lui parler.
Hey, Kate. How are you doing?
I'm here. Thanks again for standing up for me yesterday.
Mais tu
I
pleurais,
needed
hein. Je l'avais vu.
Anytime. That guy has issues.
Doesn't everybody here? By the way, Max, do you still have my copy of the October Country?
Oh, yes, of course. It's great so far. I didn't realize Bradbury was such a poet.
Can you please bring it back to my room this morning? I just need to take some notes for class.
Absolutely. I'll bring it by later.
Pas de soucis, Kate. Alors, bon, ben, on doit aller sous la douche, je pense. Il n'y a rien d'autre. Ok. Kate, ok. Bon, douche. Ding, ding. Du, 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 du. Le jus d'orange. Ok. C'est passionnant. On a une personne qui se douche et une personne qui se brosse les dents.
What's up, Kate?
Ah, évidemment.
School.
That's it? That video of you clubbing didn't look like homework.
Victoria, that wasn't me.
Oh my god, right. Don't be shy. I think it's awesome you set a tongue record on video.
You're
Putain,
going to be
vraiment, c'est
sorry
une
someday.
connasse. Pourquoi je l'ai pas lynché
Oh,
Ouais, j'étais trop sympa, là. J'aimerais trop revenir en arrière, la lyncher. C'est une connasse.
it. I know Nathan hooked her up. And you know he has the good shit. Preach it, sister. Yup, I still have goddamn paint all over my face. Good thing my faithful minions took their sweet time bringing me a towel.
We ran all the way.
Give it a rest, Taylor. Now I know if I'm in an accident, I won't rely on you or Courtney for help. You can hang out with Kate. Or Max.
Mais t'es une connasse. Vraiment la reine des connasses, elle. Hein. Je retire mes mots, en fait. Hein.
She's a weirdo with that dumb camera. I hate that I'm so quirky crap. Anyway, let's leave the link to Kate's video so everybody gets a chance to see her in action. You are such an evil biatch. I love it.
Toi, arrête de la sucer. Espèce de conne. Ça m'énerve. Ah, je vais l'effacer ton truc. T'inquiète, t'inquiète. Vraiment, il y a des gens, je te jure. Vas-y, vas-y. Pauvre Kate, quoi.
I better get dressed and go give back Kate's book.
Utiliser. Ah, ok.
Sorry. I forgot.
Bah oui, effacer.
Even if I can stop one person from watching it, it's worth it.
Bah, tu vas pas le laisser, quoi. La pauvre. Bon. C'est bon, c'est douché. Ok. Alors, donc, avis de recherche. Donc on doit retourner à notre chambre, je pense. Qui est ici. Ah, putain.
No fucking way. This is not why I came to Blackwell. And I still have to clean all this crap up after I find Kate's book.
Bordel.
Oh shit.
La vengeance.
Nathan's revenge. Even Chloe told me not to go to the principal.
Eh, mais Nathan...
And Nathan here.
Ouais, ils ont foutu le bordel là. Elle aurait pu le retrouver si...
My desk is a pigsty, but I know it ain't there.
Là,
No book here.
ici.
Of course she just spilled soda on Kate's book. Better fix this fast. Kate needs the
Heureusement
book
que t'as le pouvoir de
and I
remonter
don't want to
le
add to our
temps,
list of
quoi.
problems.
Alors, déplacer.
Be gone, foul soft drink.
Et là, prendre.
Aha, you sneaky book. You're mine.
Voilà. Et quoi là?
Uh-oh. I wonder if I'll ever wear a watch again.
Ok, bon. S'habiller. Ah, on va s'habiller. Comme
Maybe
ça, au
I'll
moins,
just
c'est
put
fait.
on a shirt and jeans. Hey, Einstein had the same exact suit for every day of the week.
Allez.
And he couldn't even rewind time.
Et ça, on le nettoie pas? Ok. Bon, bah, y a plus rien, du coup.
Now I can finally take this back to Kate before I'm late. As if I
T'inquiète,
have to worry
t'inquiète, on
about
va y
being
aller.
late anymore. I do have all the time in the world now.
Alors, où c'est que je dois aller? Kate. Numéro privé. Ferme ta grande gueule, sinon je te défonce, je sais où tu dors.
Oh shit. Now
Je
I'm
sais.
getting anonymous
Ah,
threats?
putain,
It
ça
never ends.
Eh, ça part en couille, quoi.
This has to be from Nathan. But it could be anybody. I better be doubly careful around here or I could be in serious danger
Juliette.
if I'm not already.
Frapper. On va pas lui parler. On peut
Hey,
apprendre
Brooke.
des choses.
Oh, hi, Max.
Tu as vu la neige?
Did you see the freak snowfall yesterday?
I was riveted by that weird snow flurry yesterday.
I can't tell if you're being serious or not. Since I'm a science noob, I was wondering if you could explain it.
I'm serious. Even meteorologists can't explain that snow.
Ouais,
I bet Warren can. Did you talk to him yet?
plus tard.
I will later.
Lucky you. I'm sure he'll track you down, Max. I'll see you around.
Salut. Frapper.
Taylor is no doubt being led around by Victoria, as usual.
J'ai pas eu le temps de lire en fait.
Taylor is no doubt being led around by
Comme
Victoria,
pour changer.
as usual.
Ok. Bah du coup elle est où Kate? C'est là? Styler. Non. Non on veut Kate. Là-bas c'est les douches. C'est qui là? Juliette. Kate.
Kate? You in there?
Yes, I'm here. Come in, Max.
Ah la pauvre. Je suis vraiment triste pour elle. Je regarde hein, si on peut utiliser un truc. La photo c'est quoi?
Damn, it's the all-American zombie family.
On s'en passera de tes commentaires Max.
Kate's art is perfect for a children's book. Everything looks so fun and colorful and
C'est vrai.
positive. Why did she cover up the mirror?
Peut-être
She
parce
can't look at
qu'elle
herself?
aime pas se voir. Wow, il y a des mouchoirs quand même.
That's a lot of tears. She's going to go through boxes. Kate really has a doting father.
La lumière, lui, dans les ténèbres, et les ténèbres ne l'ont point reçu. Jean 1, 2.5. Cathy, tu seras toujours mon flambeau dans l'obscurité. Bisous et câlins, papa. Ça va, son père aime. Oh, petit lapin. Oh, c'est trop mignon. I love this bunny. Ouais. On peut juste le regarder. Dessin. Il y a encore des dessins. Peut-être que c'est un peu plus
Good
glauque.
lord.
Ouais.
This must be Kate's H.R. Geiger period.
C'est un peu plus glauque là. Effectivement, donc parler.
Hey, Kate. I brought your book.
Max, why did you step in between David and me yesterday?
Je déteste les
I
mecs.
hate bullies. David Madsen should know better.
I was hoping he would. But it's nice to see that you care about me.
Kate, I actually do care. So, what's the story with you and David?
Well, he's a total paranoid
Je suis pas bien que je
ass.
bois encore.
He thinks I'm part of the Vortex Club. Yeah, right.
Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il y a à propos de la vidéo? Pourquoi?
Why does he think that?
Because he saw the video. You know how humiliating this is for me?
I know this sucks, Kate, but tell me about the video and maybe I can help.
Basically, I went to one Vortex Club party and ended up making out with a bunch of people. And I have no memory of it.
Ah ouais. C'est horrible.
That's awful. So, how did that happen?
It's a long story. I'm still trying to sort it all out.
You have to tell me more than that. What happened at the party? Did you drink?
I swear to God, I had one sip of red wine, and then I drank water.
Tu es
Are you
sûr?
sure it was just one sip?
I take a sip at church, and I don't end up on a viral video, okay?
Did somebody drug you?
I remember getting sick and dizzy.
Go on.
Then Nathan Prescott said he would take me to the hospital.
Nathan Prescott? Oh shit.
Ouais,
He was
lui,
being
on
nice
sait
for a
qui.
change when he offered to help me.
He's the opposite of nice. What next?
All I recall is driving for a long time. And I woke up in a room. I thought it was a hospital because it was so white and bright.
Go on.
Ah
I'm
ouais.
listening.
Somebody was talking to me in a soft voice. I thought it was a doctor until I heard Nathan and felt a sharp sting in my neck. And
Et
And?
that's all I remember. I don't know what happened. I woke up outside my dorm room the next day. I didn't have any marks or bruises, but I felt gross.
So, who took the video of you at the party?
I have no idea. Probably Victoria. She was there being her mean self.
Jesus, Kate. I'm sorry. This is serious shit.
bah oui.
How do I get a viral video taken down? I know it's already spreading. What if my church sees that? I need to know what to do.
Kate, we'll figure it out. I'll check back later, okay?
Thanks, Max. You can put my book here near my bag.
La pauvre. Eh, en vrai, ça se voit que ça va pas. C'est un cas qu'il faut. Comment? Enfin, c'est pas un cas, je veux dire, c'est une personne avec qui il faut rester. Faut la consoler, si vous voyez ce que je veux dire. La pauvre. Franchement, je suis vraiment triste pour elle.
So, Max, can I ask you a question? And please be honest.
Absolutely, Kate. Anything.
I need to find out if Nathan Prescott helped me or hurt me after that party. Should I go to the police?
Putain, qu'est-ce que je choisis là? Parce que si elle a pas de preuve qu'elle va voir la police, c'est un peu la galère. Putain, c'est un dilemme là. On va voir la police, besoin de preuves. Qu'est-ce que je fais? Parce que si elle va voir la police et que derrière elle lui dise on peut pas monter le dossier, il n'y a pas assez de preuves, nanana. Parce qu'il y a juste elle contre Nathan Prescott. Nathan Prescott c'est quelqu'un quand même qui est riche, qui est influençable. Vous voyez, c'est... Voilà, quand on voit que derrière il faut vraiment quelque chose de lourd pour le faire tomber. Et comme c'est un gosse de riche, forcément laisser tomber. Les parents ils vont... Voilà. Alors que si elle a des preuves, je pense que là il y aura plus de chances pour que du coup elle s'en sorte. Donc moi je dirais qu'il faut des preuves. Toujours des preuves avant d'accuser quelqu'un. Besoin de preuves.
If you do that, they won't believe you. You're on video grabbing at all those guys, and they'll use that against you. Bad.
But I know I was drugged.
That's what you have to prove, not them. I'm just telling you how the cops in school will look at this. The video doesn't exactly back you up.
You make me feel so hopeless.
No, Kate. I just don't want you to get hurt anymore.
That seems impossible at this point. So that's your answer?
I think we should wait. There are other things going on that might help you.
But not right now. So I can walk down the halls with people calling me a viral slut. Thanks, Max.
Merde. C'est pas ce que je voulais dire.
Good job,
Bon
Dr.
allez, va voir la police.
She didn't like what I
Je vais
had to say,
reculer.
but we need more proof of what happened.
Je vais reculer, voilà. On pose le bouquin. Hop. Va voir la police.
Yes, you should definitely go to the police, Kate. I totally believe every word you say. Nathan Prescott is truly dangerous.
Bless
dire
you,
ça.
Max. I will go to the police. And also Principal Wells. With you as my backup witness, they'll have to take us seriously now.
Backup witness? Well, I mean, I believe you and everything, but we're still just spoiled punk students to the cops and faculty. I just think we need to be very careful here.
Why? Careful of what?
Nothing. Except the Prescotts are a powerful family.
Ouais.
I hope this won't backfire on us, that's all. Even though that rich bastard has earned some serious bad karma. He'll get it.
Je suis désolé, mais voilà quoi. C'est là, c'est soit ça, soit tu te tais quoi, et t'attends qu'il y ait des preuves.
Time out, Max. You actually told Kate to go to the police and the principal after getting a scary text threat. Now the police will definitely drag
C'est
you
pas
into
grave.
this shit.
C'est vraiment pas grave. Moi je dis si on peut sauver une vie. Si on peut sauver quelqu'un, parce que là, elle est au bord des larmes et... Comme on dit, bord des larmes, suicide quoi. Enfin, quand t'en peux plus, voilà, tu t'en finis. Du coup, voilà, moi je dis, il faudrait qu'il y ait quelqu'un qui reste à côté. Chloé. Max, manger, Wells. Je te retrouve sur place. Arrête de taper, tu vas te faire mal au doigt. Yeah, petit déj. Pas d'emoji. Max, elle adore mettre des emojis. Elle, Chloé, non. Chloé, je pense qu'elle l'aimait pas. Elle trouve ça ringard. Ah là là. Là, je crois qu'il a fini de peindre.
The
Oh.
birds are flocking around Samuel. Hey, Samuel. You're up early.
Oh, hello, young Max. I do love the early morning.
Mhm.
Everything is so calm and quiet. And I can feel the animals waking up with me.
On va parler de la neige
So,
encore.
what did you think about that freak snow shower yesterday?
Another message from the Earth to get our shit together. I will say that Samuel hasn't seen anything like that before.
Ok. Animaux.
That's one thing I truly love about Arcadia Bay. It's all those cool animals in the forest.
The squirrels always come in the morning for food. I can hear them whisper. What animals do you see in the forest?
J'ai vu une biche.
Don't laugh, but I saw a doe that seemed to be looking right at me. Like it was trying to communicate.
Oh, that's your spirit animal. Nothing weird there except you saw yours. Could be a sign about your destiny. What do I know? My spirit animal is a squirrel.
Ok, bon bah à plus tard.
I so don't want to get in the way of your morning ritual. See you later.
Of course you will.
Voilà. Ouais non, je me suis un petit peu arrêté parce que j'ai vu que mon téléphone, comme je chronomètre un peu le nombre de temps que je tourne, j'ai vu mon téléphone et il y a Google qui s'est allumé. Donc voilà. C'est le père de Nathan, je vous préviens, toute tentative de diffamation ou chantage à l'encontre de mon fils se terminera devant la justice, avec mes avocats. Vous n'êtes pas la première à Blackway à essayer ça. J'espère que vous serez la dernière. Considérez ceci comme un premier et un dernier avertissement. Oh, je t'emmerde, moi.
Max, it's over here.
Warren!
What are you doing here?
Oh, nothing. Waiting for a call? I mean, I already took the call. Anyway, I wanted to rap about that action yesterday.
Mhm. C'était intense.
That was
Ah, j'aurais dû le
intense.
remercier.
Everything happened so fast. I owe you.
Oh, yes, you do. I got knocked on my ass by that dick. I'm some personal superhero.
You're a real everyday hero. You stood up to a bully and it was awesome.
Even though you left me with said bully and ran off with that girl, she's pretty punk rock. How do you know her?
Juste une pirate. Chloé Price.
An old friend, Chloe Price. We haven't seen each other in a while.
I bet you were glad to see her blast up in that truck like a rock star. Which begs the question, why is Nathan Prescott getting psycho on you?
J'ai pris en flag, ne t'en mêle pas.
I busted him in the bathroom yesterday with a gun. I'll give you the story later. Principal Wells is taking care of it now, I hope.
Weird fucking week. Like that bizarro snowfall yesterday. Speaking of dystopia, that drive-in is having a 70s Planet of the Apes marathon. Let's go ape!
Oui, non. Oui.
Yes, that's exactly what I need. I love those old school ape films.
Well, that was easier than I thought. Cool, I'll text you the info.
Ok, Warren. Bah, salut, Warren. Bon, bah, prendre le bus. Ah, prendre le bus, ok. Ah oui, on doit rejoindre Chloé. On va rejoindre Chloé. Clap, clap. On va rejoindre Chloé. Clap, clap.
David talking to Nathan cannot be a good thing. This has something to do with Kate. Or Rachel.
Les copyrights. C'est pas grave. Transport Station. Ouais, je crois que ça se dit comme ça.
Don't try to
My
take
English is bad.
It's mine.
I wouldn't dream of it.
Be a millionaire. Hope nobody steals my
D'accord.
lottery.
Talk about going back in time. The diner looks exactly the same.
Parlez.
Hi. You look lost.
Close. Do you know if the bus has come yet? The online schedule isn't working.
Je viens de descendre.
I just got off the school bus, but I'm sure the regular bus is coming too.
Oh, that's a relief. I can't be late for this job interview. I can't believe I have to take a bus all the way to Newport just to find a second job.
Are things that bad here?
Where are things good? I can't even afford to live here.
Well, good luck.
Thanks, I sure need it.
Ouais, c'est dur parfois la vie. Bon, toi, je te parle pas. Ah si, on peut.
No time for chit chat. I'm a millionaire. Yep. Lottery ticket right here. Waiting for the bus so I can cash it in.
Ok. J'allais rigoler et me dire, waouh, millionnaire, comment ça se fait? Alors, c'est quoi? Il y a quoi par là? Chloé. Je suis en retard. Pose-toi en attendant. Maman te donnera à manger. Je m'attends pas de voir avant midi. Pourquoi je m'en doute en fait? Tac tac, y a rien par là. Oh,
Stop that! Stop! No barking.
ok ok.
There's that dirty RV from the other day.
C'est le camping crado de l'autre jour. Ah, donc c'est nous qui avons...
Obviously, nobody took my advice.
Ok, oui, avec le smiley que je disais que j'aime bien ce smiley, il me faisait marrer. Ok. Tu peux lui parler à lui? Non, ça c'est des mecs random. Oui, donc ouais, il n'y a pas vraiment une liberté de fou, quoi. C'est vraiment un chemin tracé, comme vous le voyez. Bon. Flyer, pêcheur, parler.
Good morning. Looks like you're ready to catch some serious fish.
I wish, young gal. Arcadia Bay just isn't the same fishing town I grew up in.
Hmm.
Has the town changed much?
By Neptune's beard, it has. Seems like a lifetime ago when I was king of the harbor.
Vous en êtes sorti, un bateau à vous.
You have your own boat?
I call her the Bali High. I've kept a hold of her in these lean days. Might be all the time we've got left.
I thought one of Arcadia
Oh,
Bay's
cool.
main exports was fish.
Oh, the fish used to
Mais-
jump onto my
Ouais.
boat until the Prescotts and their finance fiends snapped up harbor rights.
Ça m'étonne pas. Hein. Les
The
Prescott.
Prescotts have a lot of power.
They might rename the town Prescott Bay, if that tells you much.
Vous les connaissez?
Do you know them?
Do good for my working kind, but I know them through their bad deeds.
Ah ouais, donc c'est pas
Let's
des gens
not get
sérieux.
downcast. I hear the fish calling for Bali High. Never forget that old fishermen never die. We just smell that way.
I'd love to learn more, but I have to get going. Happy fishing out there.
Ok. Donc. Je sais. Ok, je pense qu'on doit rentrer là-dedans. Je vois qu'il y a d'autres trucs. Lire.
Snow. Well,
De la neige,
that's a good
comment
start
bien
to the
commencer un
story.
article. Service météo perplexe devant la chute de neige. Le service national de météo n'a toujours pas trouvé d'explication conclusive à la chute de neige inattendue sur Arcadia Bay. Oregon cette semaine. Ok. Des experts météorologues de Portland et Seattle se sont rendus sur les lieux pour analyser l'événement et les conditions atmosphériques afin de tenter d'expliquer le phénomène. D'accord, donc ça explique pas grand chose, si.
Excuse me, sir?
Can you believe this town? The world is on fire, and our
Ah ouais,
big
quand
headline
même.
is snow. I can hardly wait for next week's big story.
Le mec, tu lui parles, tu lui dis ça et là, hop, pète un câble. Là, vous vivez ici depuis longtemps.
How long have you lived here?
Long enough to know that Arcadia Bay will be a ghost town in a few years.
I keep reading how Arcadia Bay is booming.
The paper can only talk about that or about missing girls.
Rachel Amber, cette ville est pleine de mystères.
You mean Rachel Amber?
I guess. I bet she ran away because she was bored. Who wouldn't be here? Excuse me. I have to read my horoscope.
Ok, ok, c'est tout. Quoi par là? Une voiture. SDF.
Hello.
Oh, look at you. A fine example
Elle
of
a du
you.
sang, non, je rêve pas.
I bet you're a senior student.
Yes, I go to Blackwell Academy.
I could tell you're a wise young woman. I know all about Blackwell and this town.
How long have you lived in Arcadia Bay?
1,000 years. I've gone through the same changes as the town.
Ah ouais. Oh, je vais m'en remettre bien. Hop, c'est plutôt sur la manette qu'il faut. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
What happened to you?
What didn't happen to me? Sometimes you start out in life turned around the wrong way. I married dumb, made mistakes, got cheated out of my savings,
Ah ouais.
lost my home, and now I hang out here.
I'm sorry. Have you ever lived outside of here?
Where the hell would I go? I hate the sun and love the mist. I might be homeless, but Arcadia Bay is still my home.
La pauvre. Joey Price.
You must know Joyce Price from the Two Whales Diner.
She's fed me more than my own family. How's a daughter your age who's always in trouble? Married to a real prick.
David Mason.
His name is David Madsen.
He told me to get a job once, asshole.
Ah ouais, le
Not
mec
sure
de
what
sécurité
Joyce
là.
sees in him, but he better treat her right.
Et les
I
Prescott.
bet you have dirt on the Prescott family.
That whole family is dirty. They once done good things for Arcadia Bay. Those days are dead, like anything in their way.
I know somebody who's being threatened by a Prescott.
Then you be their guardian angel, because nothing gets in the way of that family, especially not the law. Hell, they own your school, Blackwell.
Ah bah ok.
Almost.
I have to go now. Goodbye.
Ok, donc j'ai envoyé Kate aller voir les flics, alors que elle vient de dire que, bah, que tu peux pas quoi. Que tu peux pas avec les flics, ils t'écouteront pas quoi. Donc bon. J'espère que ça va aller pour elle. Bah c'est tout. On va aller à l'intérieur. On a fait le tour. Hop.
That smell of breakfast and the sound of clanging silverware makes me feel 13 again.
Trevor. J'ai pas envie de leur parler. Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Parler. Regarder. Je sais pas. Ouais, c'est pas très. Tag, c'est quoi ça? Ah. Bon. Il y a des tags partout. Photo. Je sais pas à quoi elles servent les photos, mais. Tic 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 tic. Trip, le flic. Enquête. Ah, on peut s'asseoir, ok. Jukebox. Morceau de guitare.
along with all the students at Blackwell.
Je vais dire je
I
comprends.
get it, Joyce.
Si j'en
I know
rajoute,
Chloe still likes to stir things up.
ça peut partir en
Yeah, she
vrille.
does provoke people, especially David. I just want us to be a family soon. I guess it's all about time.
I think you're right, Joyce.
So, now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What do you want to eat?
Une omelette au bacon, une omelette au
I
bacon.
was dreaming about your bacon omelet.
Now finish your coffee.
Mhm. Bon. Alors,
One bacon omelet for the young lady, stat.
Nerd graffiti. Warren must have been here.
donc Warren,
I
il était
love
là.
the delicious anticipation of breakfast.
Boire. Bon, on va boire. Est-ce qu'il faut le boire? Attention, on va le boire.
This is like fourth dimensional deja vu. I keep going back in time.
Can I get some beer and bacon before I die?
This is a diner, not a bar.
No beer?
J'ai vu fenêtre qu'on pouvait regarder.
Looks like you had
The lighthouse looks so mysterious. I wish I could stay in this moment forever. I guess I actually can now.
Mm.
But then it wouldn't be a moment.
Ouais, ce serait plus un instant que... Ouais, je comprends. Bon, on va boire.
Beer? What kind of...
blend from here, Max.
Elle va finir son
Here,
café.
you'll love
Ah, merci.
I'm drooling like a baby.
Still can't believe you're a woman. When I look at pictures of Chloe, speak of the devil.
Chloé, my best friend.
Mom and Max, together
Elle te fait
again.
des checks, tout ça.
And Chloe looking for a free meal. You put your whole damn college fund on your tab.
I'm treating Chloe for breakfast.
Are you atoning for yesterday?
Oh god, Mom, please do not give Max any shit for that. She apologized.
I know she did. Max is a good girl. Woman. She's 18 now.
Too old to get lectures from you or Sergeant Pepper.
Call him David if you don't want to be lectured. You only get one damn slice of bacon a day.
You guys are still the same.
Another reason to
Elle me
blow
fait
this town.
délirer.
What is this shit on the jukebox?
Mais non.
Now that that's out of the way,
Bon, ouais, c'est bien aussi.
let's talk about your superpower.
I don't have any explanation, and I can't explain why I saw that crazy fucking tornado.
Come on, that's just a daydream. I want proof you can rewind time.
Ah, mais j'aurais dû m'en
This
douter
is
qu'il vous faut
all
une preuve à elle.
happening so fast.
We'll start slow. Right here, now.
I can tell you every single thing you have in your pockets.
You have X-ray vision, dude? I don't even know what's in my pockets. Let me see.
A bullet, just like your necklace.
That was so wrong, Max. Okay, psychic girl. Let me show you what's actually in my pockets.
Donc on remonte le temps, c'est ça? On va voir si j'ai une bonne mémoire.
Yes, you know I'm a smoker. But how many cigarettes?
J'ai pas compté. 13 cigarettes.
13 cigarettes.
I smoke too much to have 13 cigarettes. Okay, psychic girl. Let me show you what's actually in my pockets.
Putain, bah je savais pas combien elle avait de
Okay,
cigarettes.
Max. Study every item carefully and
Alors,
don't forget
1, 2,
anything.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Elle a 7 cigarettes.
You got this, Max. Now rewind and blow Chloe's mind.
Putain, c'est chiant ça. Fallait compter carrément le paquet, le nombre de cigarettes qu'elle avait.
Well, this is me telling.
Okay, Max. I'm hella.
Alors, cigarettes.
I'm pretty sure.
Yes, you know I'm a smoker.
7.
7 cigarettes.
A superpower that allows you to count cigarettes. Cool. Amazing. Something else in my pockets?
Alors, pièce de monnaie. Ça, je m'en souviens.
Some money.
Clearly I'm rich as fuck. How much do I have?
Donc, 25 cents. Il n'y avait que ça.
25 cents.
You lose. Okay, psychic girl. Let me show you what.
Non, 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 je me souviens. Je m'en souviens.
Okay, Max. Study every item carefully and don't forget anything.
Pièce de 1 cents. Ok, donc il faut... Pièce de quarter dollar. Mais du coup, 1 cents. Ah d'accord, donc 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 machin, donc 6 cents. Ok. Pièce de 5 cents. Il n'y a pas de 5 cents. Hein. Quarter dollar. Quarter dollar, ça fait 25 cents. Merde.
Okay, Max. Study every item carefully and don't
Ok,
forget
donc ça fait
anything.
6. Donc 2, 4, 6. Ok. 25 et 25, 50. 25 et 25, 50. Ça fait 100, 106. 106
You got
cents.
this, Max. Now rewind and blow Chloe's mind.
106 cents. Moi je pensais qu'il fallait juste compter les pièces. Enfin, juste une pièce de 25.
Well,
Okay, Max.
Alors, cigarette.
I'm pretty sure.
Ok.
Yes.
7. Ok.
A super. Amazing.
Pièce de monnaie.
Clearly I'm.
Donc, bah, j'avais compté 106. Donc, bah, peut-être 86.
86 cents.
That's right, living large in Arcadia Bay. So that was cool. Show me more.
Et les clés. C'est
Your
un
car key.
porte-clés
Don't,
panda.
way too-
Panda.
A cute robot panda keychain.
Not bad, Super Max.
Je le sais.
You do have that Irish luck, Caulfield. What else?
Contravention.
Un
Mais ça,
parking
je m'en
ticket.
souviens plus.
You know me well. But what is the exact time I was busted?
Merde. 10h34, je crois.
10:34 a.m.
Booyah! Max can tell time.
Ah, bah ça va. Coup de chance. Je me souviens pas, j'avais pas lu l'heure en fait.
Amazeballs. I literally just got chills all over my neck. You have powers.
I'll take that crap off the table, Chloe.
Sure, Mom.
How's the food, Max?
Better than I remembered.
Very good save.
Man, I'm hungry like the wolf.
Clearly.
Ça va, on lui a
I'm
prouvé.
freaking out about what just happened. You have to show me more. Something way cooler so I will believe you without any doubt.
Ah ouais.
I will predict the future.
No way.
Now, pay attention to everything that happens in the next few moments so you can dazzle Chloe with your mad power.
Ok.
Oops.
Did you break another cup? Really? No
Lui, il
refill
a
for
cassé
you.
la tasse.
Shh. And now I gotta take this call and leave my breakfast. Hey, where is my partner?
You're a dick.
Don't slap me, bitch. Take your fight
His
club
dispute.
outside.
He started it.
I'm finishing it.
Femme va se lever pour aller aux toilettes. Elle va faire un petit coucou.
That's the best song I've
This
heard
is
yet.
sure the hell better than that other garbage.
I think
Okay.
our jukebox is headed for Davy Jones's locker.
Et le jukebox il déconne.
So, what are you waiting for?
Now I should rewind and tell Chloe
On va
everything
remonter
that
le
just
temps,
happened.
raconter. Ok. Donc, parlez.
I'm going to predict 4 events that will happen in the next 30 seconds or so.
Alors, Joyce fait tomber son assiette, non. Fait tomber son verre, non. Le camionneur fait tomber sa tasse.
The trucker drops his mug and Joyce rips him a new one.
So, what happens next?
Ensuite, je dirais le
The cop
flic.
gets an emergency alert on his radio and he quickly exits the diner.
Well, let's just see how this goes down.
Justine et Trevor se disputent. Ok.
Justin and Trevor fight and Joyce beats them.
This is getting good. Can't wait to see what happens.
Quand une mouche se pose dessus. Le jukebox déraille quand un cafard grimpe dessus. Je sais pas, quand le camionneur...
The jukebox
oh,
goes
merde, je
crazy
me suis
as
trompé de
a
touche.
fly lands on it.
Pretty bizarro, Max. But let's see if everything happens like you said.
Non. J'ai loupé un truc.
Oops.
Ok.
Did you
right.
break another cup?
Ça
Really?
j'avais bon.
No refill for you.
Shh. And now I gotta take this call and leave my breakfast. Hey, where is my
Ok.
partner?
You're a
I think
dick.
not,
Slap
Max.
me, bitch. Take your fight club outside.
He started it.
I'm finishing it.
You are really whiffing this.
Merde. Alors attendez, on va revenir en arrière. Tic, 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 tic. Parlez.
I'm going to predict
Alors, Joyce fait tomber... Trevor, le flic fait tomber son verre. Le camionneur fait tomber...
the cop drops his glass and Joyce argues with
je me
him.
suis trompé.
So, what happens next?
Je me suis trompé, je me suis trompé. Le flic reçoit un rappel radio et part. Et répond. Et son équipier s'en va. Je dirais répond.
The cop gets an emergency alert on his radio and
Je
he
me suis
answers
gouré de
it.
touche.
Well, let's just...
Justine et Trevor se disputent et Joyce les frappe, les sépare, les ignore. Je dirais les sépare.
Justin and Trevor are fighting and Joyce breaks it up.
This is getting good.
Le jukebox déraille quand un cafard grimpe dessus, quand une mouche se pose dessus, quand le papillon se pose dessus. Quand le papillon se pose
The
dessus, je sais pas.
jukebox goes crazy as a butterfly lands on it.
Pretty bizarro, Max.
Donc là je vais re-regarder parce que je me souviens pas. Puis j'ai fait une connerie la première, j'ai pas mis la bonne chose. Ok.
That is
Did
so
you
wrong.
break another cup? Really? No refill for you.
Ok.
Shh. And now I gotta take this call and leave my breakfast. Hey, where is my partner?
Son
You're a
I
copier,
think
ok.
not,
Slap
Max.
me, bitch. Take your fight club outside.
He started it.
I'm finishing it.
That is wild.
Ok. L'autre elle se lève.
This is a
C'est quoi?
sad day in Maxville.
This is sure the hell
C'est une
better
mouche.
than that other garbage.
I think our jukebox is headed for Davy Jones's locker.
C'était une mouche.
So, what are you waiting for?
Ok, ok, là c'est bon, j'ai toutes les infos. Heureusement qu'on peut remonter le temps. Ok, alors, parlez.
I'm going to predict
Doucement. Alors Joyce va faire tomber son assiette. Son verre. Sa tasse.
the trucker drops his mug and Joyce rips him a new one.
So, what happens next?
Le flic reçoit un appel radio et part. et répond et il mange un beignet et son coéquipier. Je pense que c'est il mange un beignet.
The cop gets an emergency alert on his radio, but he does nothing except eat a donut.
Well, let's just see how this goes down.
Ok, Justin et Trevor se disputent et Joyce les sépare.
Justin and Trevor are fighting.
This is getting good.
Le jukebox déraille quand une mouche...
The jukebox goes.
Ok.
Pretty bizarre.
Bon, là normalement c'est bon. Donc là elle sort. Et c'est le mec là.
Oops.
Dude,
Did
you
you
were right.
break another cup? Really? No refill for you.
Ok.
Shh. And now I gotta take this call and leave my breakfast. Hey, where is my partner?
You're a
I think
dick.
not,
Slap
Max.
me, bitch. Take your fight club
Okay.
outside.
He started it.
I'm finishing it.
That is wild.
Ok. Donc là t'as la mouche qui arrive. Ah non c'est un cafard.
This is a sad day in Maxville.
This is sure the hell better than that other garbage.
Ne dites pas que je me
I
suis
think
gouré.
our jukebox is headed for Davy Jones's locker.
So, what are you waiting for?
Now I should rewind and tell
va
Chloe
remonter le
everything
temps.
that just happened.
Bah oui, mais je trouve pas là. J'ai tout dit pourtant. Alors, parlez.
I'm going to predict 4.
Alors, Joyce fait tomber son assiette. Trevor fait tomber son verre. Le flic fait tomber son verre. Le camionneur fait tomber sa tasse. Trevor fait tomber son verre.
Trevor drops his glass and Justin makes fun of him.
So, what happens
Je sais
next?
pas. Le flic reçoit un appel et part. Répond. Mange un beignet. Il mange un beignet. Je sais pas, répond, mange un beignet. Oh là là, c'est
The
galère.
cop gets an emergency alert on his radio, but
Well,
Okay.
let's.
Justin et Trevor se disputent et Joyce les frappe. Joyce les sépare. Il les sépare. Elle les sépare.
Justin-
On est d'accord.
This is getting good.
Et voilà, un cafard grimpe dessus.
the jukebox goes crazy
Voilà.
as a
Normalement là
cockroach
c'est
crawls
bon.
on it.
J'avais pas
Pretty
vu le
bizarre,
cafard en
Max.
fait.
But let's see if everything.
C'est parti. Donc, est-ce qu'il va rigoler lui? Je sais pas. Parce que j'ai dit ça, mais... C'est un verre. Ok.
That is
Did
so
you
wrong.
break another cup? Really? No refill for you.
Il rigole pas.
And now I gotta take this call and leave my breakfast. Hey, where is my partner?
You're a
I think
dick.
not,
Slap
Max.
me, bitch. Take your fight club outside.
He started it.
I'm finishing it.
That
En
is
fait, j'arrive
wild.
pas à voir tout. Là, elle dit c'est mortel, et puis là, t'as le cafard qui va dessus. Là, normalement, c'est bon.
Fucking
Best
A.
song I've
This
heard
is
yet.
sure the hell better than that other garbage.
I think our jukebox is headed for Davy Jones's locker.
So, what are you waiting for?
Mais non, mais
Now
sans
I should
déconner.
rewind and tell Chloe everything that just happened.
Attendez, on va tout revoir bien, parce que là, je vois pas quelle erreur j'ai fait. Voilà. Je veux juste voir. Là, elle sort. Ok. Donc lui, c'est qui, lui? Il fait tomber sa tasse.
Oops.
That is
Did
so
you
wrong.
break another cup?
Ah ouais, t'as
Really?
fait son
No
contact, je te reste
refill for you.
Shh. And now I
Je
gotta
dois
take this
répondre
call
à
and
cet
leave my
appel et
breakfast.
abandonner mon petit déj. Ok. Et
Hey, where is my partner?
là, il demande où est son copier.
You're a
I think
dick.
not,
Attaque un
Max.
bouffon, nanana.
Take your fight club outside.
He started it.
Et le cafard, il arrive. Ok. Donc c'est... Putain. Depuis tout à l'heure, j'aurais dû juste lire les sous-titres, en fait. Je suis trop con. Voilà. Alors, parlez.
I'm going to predict
Alors, Joyce fait tomber son assiette, non. Trevor fait tomber son verre, non. Le flic fait tomber son verre, non. Le camionneur fait tomber sa tasse. Je crois que c'est le camionneur. Ok.
the trucker drop.
So,
Ensuite, le flic reçoit un appel et part, non. Et répond, et il mange un beignet et son coéquipier. Je l'ai pas vu partir. Hein. Je crois que son
The
coéquipier
cop
s'en va.
gets an emergency alert on his radio and his partner in the car leaves
Ah
without
oui.
him.
Voilà,
well,
il part
let's
sans lui. Ok. Justin et Trevor se disputent et Joyce les frappe, les sépare.
Justin and Trevor.
This is getting good. Can't wait.
Et enfin le jukebox, un préfère grimpe dessus. Là normalement j'ai tout dit. Hein. Ah, la cinématique a changé. Ok, donc c'est bon. Purée, j'en ai chié. Hein.
Oops. Did you break another cup?
Oh, way to go, Mom.
No refill for you.
C'est ça les let's play parfois.
Hey, where is my partner?
You called it. Today's
C'est
off to
barré.
go bust some skaters.
You're a dick.
Don't slap me, bitch. Take your fight club outside.
He started it.
I'm finishing it.
Trevor and Justin must be in love. You
Il
predicted a
préfère.
cockroach on the jukebox? I pledge allegiance to Max and the power for which she stands.
This isn't a toy, Chloe. I do have to be careful how I use it.
Screw that! Of course it's a toy. The best toy ever? You can bang anyone with no strings attached, rewind time, and boom! It's like it never happened.
Grow up.
Maybe you made a move on me and I would never know.
Yes, that's what I did.
You can rewind time, Max. That's fucking insane. We have to play.
I don't
We
have time.
have to play.
You did not just say that.
Hop, ma télé elle
check
veut
out your
s'éteindre.
nose.
Il faut que je
Too much
retrouve
flow?
cette
Hey,
télécommande.
are you okay?
Too much
Non,
excitement.
ça va pas.
See
Pause.
what happens when we hook up again.
Then
Voilà.
let's go to one of my
Je l'ai
secret
retrouvé.
lairs and fully test your power. You need a sidekick to guide you.
Okay, Girl Wonder. Show me the way to Chloe's cave.
Ok.
Chloe finally believes me. And I wonder what kind of crazy shit she has in mind now.
Donc il faut que je fasse quoi?
Okay, Supergirl, let's go to my secret place. Don't even answer. We have places to go and people to do. Come on, before Mom starts some more shit. Let's bail.
It's Kate Marsh from Blackwell.
Big whoop. You don't call me once in 5 years and now you're all over some biatch you see every day at school?
Voilà.
I see how you roll. So go ahead, chat up Kate Marsh from Blackwell. I've got other people to hang out with too.
Décrocher.
Hey, Kate. What's up?
Please, don't let your best friend get in the way.
You okay? I promise, Kate. I won't forget. I swear. Just do your homework and don't stress. I really don't think we should go into this right now. I'll call you later, okay?
Bien sûr que je décroche, bah oui.
Thanks, Max. If you'd rather chill with Kate, please.
Go
Oh, la
ahead. You are
jalousie.
ridiculous. I'm chilling with you, okay?
For now, let's rock.
Ouais, bah elle est énervée, elle est
Sucks
énervée.
that
Tant
Chloe and
pis.
Joyce got into an argument. I could rewind and not answer Kate. It's not like I won't see her in class later.
Ok, ok. Speed limit, trend. 13. 13. Wow.
Is this a race?
Keep up.
How many times are you going to get pissed at me this week?
That depends on you and how well you do in this phase of the test. Welcome to American Rust, my home away from hell.
Mhm.
Raw and rough. It suits you.
Max, do you know how awesome this is? I get my best friend back and she's also supersized.
We don't know for how long.
Exactly why it's time to have fun.
David might be a douche, but you did
Carrément
steal his
flingue.
gun. Is everybody armed in Arcadia Bay now?
Only the ones who shouldn't be.
Ouais.
Like
Si
Seth
tu veux.
Jones. Until now.
I'm not in the revolution yet, Che.
You are the revolution, Max. So we should figure out how to best use and abuse your power with the
J'avoue.
test. Drink?
Yuck.
You are so cute. You haven't changed a bit. Okay, let's do this. Can you find 5 bottles while I prep the shooting range?
Beer and guns? Nice combo.
You can handle it. Now go find us 5 bottles, pretty please.
Bien sûr. Bien sûr, bien sûr. Mais ça sera pour le prochain épisode, les amis. Hein. Donc l'épisode 4. je vais m'arrêter ici, hein. Ça fait à peu près 1h15 que je tourne, je pense que ouais, je vais me stopper là. Je vais me faire une petite pause, me dégourdir la tête, comme de base c'est les jambes, mais voilà, donc on va s'arrêter là les amis, voilà, donc j'espère que cette vidéo vous a plu. Si c'est le cas, n'hésitez pas à liker, commenter et à vous abonner, et on se retrouve très prochainement pour l'épisode 4. Salut les amis!